What is up, everybody? Back with a new video today. We are starting a new little mini series on a mini bike, something a little bit different. I figured I'd give you some content to watch. This is something I've been doing in my spare time, so I figured why not record some of the processes. This isn't going to be like how-tos or anything like that. I'll throw down parts list in every description so you know what I'm running. We're kind of doing a little bit of a mild build. This started off as a MM80 frame and fork. I got a killer sale deal on GoPowersports.com, which is one of the larger mini bike supply stores. So I ended up picking up this frame with the intentions on modifying it. In this video, we're gonna see the start of where it is. At this point, we're going to be removing a lot of the extra tabs we don't want to use. We're going to be cutting off the stock engine plate. We're going to lengthen the bike 5.5 inches, and we're going to drop it an overall 3/4 of an inch front and rear. Don't want to run the Megamoto seat, so I decided to start with foundation. I'm kind of going off the cafe racer style motorcycles. Started making a sheet metal base, and then later on I'll shape a little bit of foam and get it upholstered for the seat. We're running some pit bike bars for now, and we got a let's see, it's a Harbor Freight Predator 212 engine. Did pick up a little air filter kit. Without further ado, let's check it out. Gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Something a little bit different. We'll have a couple more episodes on this mini bike until it is complete, and then we'll have something kind of fun to bomb around the back roads and camping and all that kind of fun stuff. Other than that, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will put a build sheet down in the description. We will see you in the next video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Keep on trucking. Peace. Peace.